welcome to our post-game press conference where after Magnolia's 105-93 victory against Converge, we are joined by bus player Brigade Paul Lee and winning coach Chito Victorero. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach Chito, from a 127-point game of Converge, you just limited them to 93 tonight. Coming to this game, was it a conscious decision to silence either Alex Stockwell or Justin Arana and then limit their import to around 30 points? What was it about your defense that allowed you to topple Cambridge?
First of all, thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for this win. And regarding the question, yes, we want them to limit below 100 points. Our goal is 92 points per game. So we did a good job on the defensive end. Siguro yung maybe on the last 5 minutes of the game, doon lang medyo siguro nag-relax kami. And kala nung namin panalo na. So yun. So we need to address that situation. Medyo hindi kami pwedeng ganun. So kailangan siguro we need to be consistent on our defense. Siguro maliliit pa namin yan under 90 points kung ginawa lang namin yung trabaho namin for the whole 48 minutes. But a win's a win, and I'm very glad and happy because the players stepped up in this game. Yes, we tried to limit Stockton. We put our import to him lang malimit yung PPP Stockton. And Arana also for Ian. Thank you.
Coach, you mentioned how your focus coming into the season was better offensive execution. And after these two games, can you see confidently that your players are getting the hang of it?
Yes, I think alam na naman nila yung gusto namin mangyaring sistema on our offense. I think na-increase namin yung pass break, yung mga easy points, and also our execution on the half court. Good thing is, I think we share the ball and we have patience on our offense, and that's malaking bagay para sa amin. So paunti-unti, as a season na tumatagal, medyo gumaganda rin yung takbo ng transition ng offense namin.
Thank you, Coach. Paul, you've been very vocal about your disappointments and frustration from last season. Coming into the season, sabi mo na ang dami mong gustong baguhin at nakita nga namin na parang nag-pause ka rin ng timba. Can you just walk us through your journey? How different do you feel now at ano ba talaga yung mga tumakbo sa isip mo before the season?
Yes. Coming from a bad conference, last conference, gusto ko lang mag-bounce back, and everything would start sa akin talaga. So, start ako sa physical condition ko, and then next yung mental condition ko. And yun na, ginamit ko lang siyang motivation going into this conference. And yun, kahit naman nakakita ko ng result, and I'm very happy.
Paul, ang dami rin changes sa roster niyo ngayon. Saan ka ba nag-a-adjust pa so far?
Right now, siguro sa minsan ginagamit ako ng point guard coach, and I'm ready to accept that role while waiting kay Jerome Lastimosa. And ayun yan, again, sinabi ko sa sarili ko na kung ano naman yung role na ibibigay sa akin ng mga coaches ngayon, na kailangan ready ako sa lahat ng yun.
At this point, you're opening the floor to the media.
And Paul, congratulations. I mentioned in the final 5 minutes of the game where Converge almost made a comeback rally. Pero for you, mismo as a veteran, how did you compose the hot shots to stay composed sa final 5 minutes of the game?
Siguro advantage din namin yun na we have some veterans dun sa grupo namin. Especially Mark, I know nag-struggle siya buong laro, pero sa dulo, sa kanya pa rin yung pumabagsak, nagtitiwala pa rin yung sa isa't isa. Siguro dala na lang din yun ng samahan namin for many years. And yun nga, kailangan siguro kahit na malaki yung lamang namin, kailangan bilisan pa rin namin yung laro. Huwag namin babagalan para hindi siguro mangyari yung gano'n. Pero kailangan disiplinado pa rin.
Coach, for you personally, when you saw yung experience ng hot shots work out in that fourth quarter, final 5 minutes of the fourth quarter, how satisfied are you seeing na kaya nilang sustain ang ganun dito sa start ng quarter?
Actually, there's good and bad because we need to chase the the attitude that on the last 5 minutes were led by double digits and yun, basta na lang nawala. But in a crunch time, I rely on these guys because yun nasabi ni Paul, almost sa matagal na namin magkakasama, we know each other. We know where and when to go to the last shot or the best possible shot. I think yun lang, kailangan siguro lang namin matuto kami dun sa nangyari kanina. And huwag na namin paabutin dun sa mga kailangan pa namin ng execution sa dulo na dikit yung laro. Although maganda kasi kailangan namin ng playoffs, maybe hopefully we can makakating kami dun. And yung mga game na ganito, yung kailangan ko.
Coach, follow-up lang pala. Kanina, minention ni Paul yung hits ni Mark Maroa when it came to the clutch. Were you personally seeing na ganun pa rin siya maglaro in the final minutes of the game? Gano'n ka satisfied na ganun pa rin yung bitaw niya in this point of his career?
Yeah, after the timeout, I called the timeout and then decided to play for Mark. And he will the one who will execute on that play. He made a good decision on that after a timeout play. And I'm very happy because si Mark naman talaga maalaga yan sa katawan. So I think walang problema din sa condition niya. So he plays like nasa 30s pa yan talaga. So yun lang. Huwag natin na rin yung edad ni Mark kasi hindi naman tumatanda si Mark.
Si Jerry Marquez yan, 14 points, 3 sa 4 points. Mas marami ka natin. Mas marami sa sayang.
I'm not gonna lie. Sobrang sipag ng bata. Kaya we saw the results. Hands down dun sa bata kasi coming from the season na hindi talaga siya nagagamit. Nandun siya sa court every morning. Pumunta, ginagawa yung routine niya. So lahat ng hard work na ginagawa niya, nag-avail ko yan. So sobrang proud ako kay Jerry.
These 2 games, siya ang starter naman from season. Bukod dun sa siya pinito, season 2.
Yeah, si Jerry naman, he works hard. Siguro nandun lang sa period of adjustment he converted to a point guard. He's always a shooting guard in college. And right now, we try to be patient on Jerry also. But he contributed a lot to this game. And also, we want him to be our two-way player. We want him to also to be pesky and be a good defensive player. So, pasensya lang konti doon sa mga bagay na kulang pa si Jerry. But he's very helpful to the team right now kasi nga, na-spread niya yung floor talaga.
Thank you so much, Coach Ito and Paul.
Thank you.
Last one.